What's up, people? I'm back, and I'm all alone. This is my new place. I got another room outside. Slowly but surely, this is gonna get there. Just walked in. I bought some DRYS and EXM, so I'm actually in a pleasant mood right now. But lately, it's just been things that have been happening to me. It's just too unbelievable to actually believe that they're actually keep on happening. Every trade I've done, every single one. What I've decided to do is try to do the opposite of what I'm thinking, and that's still not working. Like the OMTR. There was no reason to be long that stock going into earnings. If you notice, the stock never participated in any rallies. When the market sold off, it sold off right along with them. And every once in a while, it would have a short squeeze to try to convince you that maybe something was good that was happening there. But apparently not. Especially after Google going down on earnings, Apple going down on earnings. Did I really think OMTR was going to be the shining beacon? So there was all these negatives, so I decided to buy it. I tried my luck. And you know what? It didn't work. And then we get the GTI. The GTI. Little bit of research into this company. You know how that works out for me. Looks like a great company long term. And all the headlines came across positive numbers, blah, 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 blah. But the thing is that costs were up. Okay? So they decided to focus on the negative. Of course, because I own it. Now, with the Penson, PNSN, it's just unbelievable, really. It's unbelievable that I've missed an 80% move in a stock that I've owned for 3 years. But the bottom line is, what I've been saying all along, and this is going back to last year, there's no reason to own stocks. And especially there's no reason to be gambling on these earnings reports. Because after the stock opens up the next day, there's so much activity in the stock that day, the volatility comes out of the options. So even if the stock moves your way, a lot of times you're not even making any money. So you might as well wait for the stock to open up and play it that way. Like the GTI, it was fine trading it yesterday. You could have shorted it at the open, bought it back, made some money. It's better to do it that way. So right now I've been conducting interviews. I've been trying to build this thing. Got this new place. I've been paying rent. I hired somebody. So a lot of costs coming my way. So what I really want to know is, and I've said this before, who's with me? Who is ready to start paying $100 a month, probably $1,000 for the year? Now we're talking about $1,000. I know there's a lot of guys out there that $1,000 is nothing, and those are the guys that I want to be involved. $1,000 because I know that I've definitely made people more than that over the last year and a half or however long we've been doing this. Every day, even as early as yesterday, when I was in the IPI, and I said I had bought it at 51 the other day. I'm really, really happy that I'm not losing my money because the stock was under 50 again. And I started, oh, here we go again, another debacle on my hands. So then it got back to my price. I offered it out. I wound up making 70 cents on the trade. That is a typical trade that you want to be involved in. I'm selling it because I'm relieved that I'm not losing money, so I'm taking any profit that I can get. So there you go, $51.70. Immediately after I offered it out, it spiked 50 cents. So if, let's say you're trading 1,000 shares, that's $500 right there, day one. If you join the program, day one, you've made $500. And if you're not a big trader like that, they're there every single day. And then you have the monster trades like the Pensons, or the ones that I've been cultivating or thinking about. And then, of course, if I decide that I don't want to give up on a stock that I'm losing money on, you just keep pounding away short on that because you know it's going to keep getting worse for me. That's the bottom line. And then we go live here. Right now, I've already did a trade. I bought the DRYS at 75.75. I offered it out at 76.25. It's 77.14 as we speak. It's phenomenal. Every single day, you're going to make money just with me. Because if you've noticed, brokerage firms are going out of business. All these smart people with educations that thought they knew what they were doing have fucked us. They fucked us. Everybody with these higher educations who thought they could figure out and finagle this, I will figure it out. Subprime this, subprime that. Don't worry about it. Merrill Lynch at what is it, a 10-year low? Bear Stearns going out of business. Lehman in trouble. Everybody. And these are smart people. So why would you want to not trust me at this point? All I'm doing is showing you every day how one guy who just has this really, really awful run of luck that's been going on for a long time now. And it's not a coincidence. There's something going on here. All right? You want to believe in God? You want to believe in higher powers? Watch what happens to me on a daily basis, especially when we go live. It is just, it's phenomenal. Phenomenal. But, all right, just let me get this out to you. And I got a lot of good stuff going on. I'm still in the EXM. Yippee-ki-yay. I'm probably going to sell here at 36.65. All right, goodbye.